Indian financial systems. Indian financial system is an important tool for the economic development of the country, as it helps in creation of the wealth by linking savings with investments. It facilitates flow of funds from the households to the investors. The main features of Indian financial systems are: it plays an important role for the economic development of the country. It is mobilizing the funds by providing the loan to the financial institutions and the investors. There are the four components of these Indian financial systems. These are financial institutions, financial instruments, financial services and financial markets. First one, financial institutions. Financial institutions are the institutions which provides short-term, medium-term loans to these financial institutions. Is an institutions provide the short-term and the medium-term loan to the business firms. These act as the mediator between the investors and this public. There are the two types of these financial institutions: banking or depository institutions, non-banking or the non-depository institutions. Banking institutions. Banking institutions act as the mobilizing the savings from the public and provide the loan to the needed investors. Non-banking or non-depository institution means they cannot collect, they cannot mobilize deposit from the public, but they can provide only the loan to this public. These are these insurance companies and agencies are these non-banking institutions. Next one, financial instruments. Financial instruments is a short-term providing money to these investors. These institutions are these: call money, notice money, term money, treasury bills, certificate of deposit, commercial papers. Call money means when the money borrowed and repaid within 1 day or next working days. When money borrowed on a day and repaid on the next working days is known as call money. Notice money means when money borrowed on a day and repaid on within 14 days is known as notice money. Next one, term money. Term money means when money deposited within the stipulated period. That means more than 14 days is known as term money. Treasury bill means it's one kind of short-term financial instruments provided by the government. Government bonds and securities is known as treasury bills. It's a short-term financial instruments, that is within a 1 year, is known as treasury bills. Certificate of deposits is a short-term deposits. Short-term deposit within the stipulated period. That means the period differs from banks to banks. Next, commercial papers. Commercial papers means it's a one kind of short-term deposit, short-term money instruments provided by the business people only. Okay, these are these financial instruments: call money and notice money, term money, treasury bills, certificate of deposits, and commercial papers. Next one, financial services. Financial services means providing these funds to these banking and financial sectors. These financial services are banking services and insurance services, investment services, and foreign exchange services. We already know banking services means collecting money from the public and providing the loan to the needy investors. Insurance services means providing the insurance facilities to these companies and business firms. Next, investment services, it's also known as the asset creations companies. Next one, foreign exchange services means providing these providing fund to the import and exports. Next one, financial markets. This is the last component of these Indian financial systems. Financial markets. It's a marketplace where the customers, where the borrowers and sellers interact with each other and sell the various shares, securities, bonds is known as financial markets. There are the two kinds of these financial markets. First one, capital markets and money markets. Capital market means providing the long-term funds to these companies. These capital markets are already has again been converted into the three kinds: corporate securities markets and the government securities markets and the long-term markets. First one, corporate securities market means buying and selling of one's company's shares and securities is called corporate securities markets. Government securities market means buying and selling of government bonds and shares are buying and sold is known as government securities markets. Long-term market means providing long-term fund to the companies is known as long-term markets. Next one, money market instruments. Money market instrument means providing short-term and medium-term loan to the companies is known as money market. This money market also classified under the two kinds: organized market and unorganized market. Organized market means these markets are organized by this RBI and regulated agencies. Unorganized market means these markets are not organized or regulated by these RBIs and other agencies. These are unorganized market are these term bills and cheat funds, etc.